Hello, English Course A1. Habits. First, my personal information. My name is Adriana Cecilia Castiblanco Beltrán. I am 28 years old. I am from Bogotá, and I currently live alone in Bogotá. I'm an oral hygienist, and I am studying public accounting. My favorite hobby is walking and listening to music. My favorite sport is basketball, and my favorite TV show are the Animal Friends. Second, describing my family. There are 4 people in my family. My mother is Cecilia Beltrán. She is 53 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Silvania, Cundinamarca. My mother is loving and dedicated to her family. She is short. Her eyes are brown, and she has short brown straight hair. My father is Julio Castiblanco. He is 59 years old. He is a farmer. He is from Cabrera, Cundinamarca. My father is a very good person and likes to help others. He is tall and skinny. He has clear eyes and he has short black curly hair. My sister is Viviana Castiblanco. She is 37 years old. She is a housewife and a farmer. She is from Bogotá. My sister is very nice and a very special person. She is medium height. Her eyes are brown, and she has short light brown hair. My brother is Mauricio Castiblanco. He is 34 years old. He is a farmer and he has his own business. He is from Bogotá. My brother is very hardworking and collaborating. He is tall. He has brown eyes and he has short black hair. And the new members of the family, my nephews. The end. Thank you.